Welcome to Deutschland Autowerks, your trusted locally owned and operated independent repair shop, proudly serving St. George and our surrounding communities. We are dedicated to delivering exceptional quality and satisfaction. We are located minutes off exit 10 on Industrial Drive in Washington. We specialize in Mercedes-Benz, Sprinters, Porsche, Audi, and exotic car. Turn to us for everything from critical maintenance to all major repairs. Our skilled and friendly techs are committed to guaranteed service and building lasting relationships. We look forward to servicing you soon.